Ford Cosworth Sierra. I think that's the one that most people want to own. Ford Escort RS 2000. That's very eye-catching. Triumph Dolomite Sprint. Beautiful Mustang. Delta Integrale. When was the last time you saw two of them? Mark 1 Cortina. Left-hand drive. Nice Morris Mini Cooper. Cooper S, in fact. Ford Escort Mexico. Good morning, thanks for joining me. So this morning I'm at the very beautiful location of Linton and Lymouth for the Lyn Valley Classic. Way up on those cliffs you see behind me there is Linton. That's going to be the destination for the Supercars. So we're definitely going to go up and have a look at those. And down here on the seafront, we have the traditional car show, which obviously is going to be a lovely mixture of all things classic cars. Okay, so I've just walked into the main display area now. It's very windy. Beautiful Citroen DS. Triumph Vitesse. Mark 1 Cortina. Left-hand drive.
It's so hard to choose one, isn't it?
Nice Mercedes SLs. A bit of a rally car display coming on here. Ford Escort Mexico. Very nice looking Mark II Mini.
I'm sure the last time I saw you were eating chips then. I can see that. That's what I said last time I saw you.
That's very eye-catching. Triumph Dolomite Sprint. Not sure what that colour's called. Tahiti blue, pageant blue, Tahiti blue I think. Very striking there. Some modern machinery here. As ever, we're predominantly focused on the slightly older 2000 back to sort of 1960s sort of generation. Excellent looking MG display here. Lots of midgets, including a very clean, tidy rubber bumper one. And iconic Austin Healey Sprite, the frog eye, which is simply beautiful. Very nice. When was the last time you saw a Lancia Delta Integrale? When was the last time you saw two of them?
I think it's definitely one of these as opposed to a camera.
On the screen, just crack the screen. Is it? You got a screen in that new truck, yeah. Yeah, he's got it done. That was what's done there. He's got a little coming close. We were following this car on his side window there.
Very clean Morris 1000 Traveller. Little Renault Clio. MGB GT with a bulge in the bonnet. That traditionally suggests it's an MGC, but of course lots of them get home converted and so on. It's got an extra bulge there, so I don't quite know what's going on there. Classic Mini, been given the neon headlamp treatment. That's one we don't see very often. So you used to see lots of those in the day.
The only one here, isn't it?
Beautiful looking Fiat. Porsche 924. Volkswagen Scirocco. Mark II Escort gear. Little Lotus Elan here. I'm sure people question why don't they restore it? But there, I suppose it's only original once. Must admit, I think I'd be tempted. TR4. British Open Mini Classic. Well, it's lovely to see the sun out. Granada. Caterham 7. And another little Austin Healey Frog Eye Sprite. Peugeot 205 GTI 1.9. Definitely had a couple of those in my day. Very nice. More MGBs. Subaru Impreza. Chevrolet Chevelle. Super looking machine. Got to be what you call travelling in style, that. Audi R8. Morgan. Mini Red Hot. Another very good looking, beautiful Mustang. Fiesta. Another Mustang. Always a popular car shows, the Ford Mustang. Probably my favourite in the American lineup. Good old Land Rover. I guess that's a Series 3 109. The pickup style. 1979.
Although we're going to
BMW Z3. Nice looking E30 M3 BMW. Lovely lowered Volkswagen Beetle. And an awesome Ford Escort RS 2000. See this one a lot. Super clean car. Another MGB Tourer. My own little 106. Little mini Metro hiding in amongst these cars. Very good. Nice to see. And Pretzer. And a very non-standard Ford Anglia. Seem to remember that engine's come out of something like a ST.
Mama, see the North Devon race. If you ask Jazz what she wants to go in.
Beautiful Cadillac.
I bet lots of people.
MGA. I think this is something called a Sebring, is it? HMC. It's one of those very, very good looking Austin Healey copy style cars, but they do look good. Very nice. Got some trial cars going on here. That looks a lot of fun. Yamaha RD250. Very smart. Royal Enfield. Very interesting looking. I guess what would you call that? A trike? Yeah.
OCC, Orange County Charters.
And what it is, someone's collecting.
Beautiful MGA. TR3 next to it. TR5 and a TR6 side by side. It's an AC. Don't see many of those. In fact, I'm not sure I've ever seen one of those. Triumph Dolomite Sprint. The ultimate Ford Cosworth Sierra. I think that's the one that most people want to own. Ford Fiesta XR2.
So he said he overtook him, then he said he went back in, and they said it didn't like Rob. The top of the
Always like the Austin 7s. Awesome little cars.
No, like the small one.
Super little midget. Speaking to the owner earlier, apparently imported from overseas. Still in its original bodywork, no corrosion. Jaguar XJS.
yeah, he's been out of.
Good old Ford Cortina.
Yeah, that's so true. The smell of flesh. You here with the family? Or? Yeah. Cool. See you later.
Got a stand here from the Winchester MG Owners Club. They've obviously come some distance today. Nicely presented cars. MGB-GT, or is that, sorry, an MGC, correction. It's an MGB-GT. Let's look at MGA. And this is the Triumph Sport 6 Club. Always bring along lots of variations. Spitfire, Mark 4s, Mark 3s, 1500 Spitfires, Triumph Vitesses, GT6s. You'll see them all here.
And then it was in Bristol and Bridgewater as well. And then Taunton. Yeah.
Not forgetting a Triumph Stag, of course. I do like Triumph GT6. Nice one here for sale.
See, we're stuck with the range of visitors. Because it's got to be so really, we need to put a what range do we put in?
That's a Triumph 1500 TC. Another GT6. Triumph Vitesse hiding in the corner here. Bonnet up. Of course, these have this straight six. Two-litre Triumph engine. And a TR7.
Did you have that on agreed, or did you have that on ordinary insurance? That was on ordinary. That's the difference, yeah.
Sunbeam Stiletto. Very collectible version of the Hillman Imp family. Instantly recognisable by that coupe back end and the twin headlamps.
Have a go, Sholto.
Sorry.
Nice Morris Mini Cooper. Cooper S, in fact, sorry. The bigger brother, the more desirable. Now, I'm guessing this could be an import. UK models didn't have those quarter light windows.
Yeah. So that's where.
Had a great lunch break, suitably fed and watered. I'll just have my coffee that I got from down the shack. There's a just a little bit right down the road. They've got plenty of burritos down in town. Okay, coming up this afternoon, what have we got on? we are going to have the line dancers, line dancing, in front of the stage in about 1 minute. A bit later on, we have the Land Rover display. That's down on the beach over there, I believe. Sometime this afternoon, there will be a celebrity
Cars
on
packed in
stage,
very tightly here. This is the club field. I think we saw some of these arriving earlier.
And of course, right at the end, we got closing awards and ceremony. But first of all, hi, Luke, you ready? Okay, we're going to turn you on, and away you go.
Okay, this is one that you've probably heard before. It's by Shabuzi.
Stunning Jaguar fixed head coupe type. It's the Cobra Club. Lots of different companies make these AC Cobra replicas. They're very popular. Obviously all resemble the original cars. Austin Healy 3 litre. Beautiful car.
Okay, right. I see lots of people tapping their feet. How brave are you? Anybody brave enough to come and join us? So everybody takes a step backwards. Okay, we're going to walk through some steps. Really easy, okay? Nothing to be worried about. And then, yeah, come on in. We have one willing volunteer. Anybody else? Let's open the floor up. Okay. In you come. I think we'll do the I love to move it. Yeah. So when you turn round,
Peugeot GTI.
You can see hiding in the background here, there's a Lancia Fulvia HF. Very desirable. Seen the car before, it is absolutely beautiful, stunning car.
Forward and clap, back and clap, back and clap. Now your hips, right, left.
So if you're on foot, you have two options to get between Linton and Lymouth. You either take this very, very steep, windy footpath, or you take the iconic cliff railway. I, as you can see, have gone for the walking bit. So I've made my way up the cliffs. I'm just walking into Linton to see the supercars.
Doesn't live in the real world.
Beautiful Mustang.
More money.
I forgot there's all this.
Are you in the
Do you like the Lancia Stratos?
On the lawn if you want it.
Sorry.
Well, I tried to have a good look at that Ferrari display, but as you could see, it was near impossible with the amount of people there. Always a fantastic atmosphere here. Right. Well, I think we have probably seen the lion's share. That is the Lyn Valley Classic. Thanks once again for joining me. Do give us a like, do subscribe. Just finishing off with some old vintage tractors here. So that's it, folks. Thanks once again.